really like this. Oh, I got one, guys. Little one, but still. Ah, lost it. Lost it. Damn. That hook didn't penetrate at all. I felt it when he was running with it. See, I got a long worm, so they're gonna be right there. Let's see if we can catch another one. Right there, it catch right there. We're just dragging this thing on the bottom pretty much. See if we can catch one again. I lost that one right there at the edge. I didn't stick the hook right. Let's see if we can catch another one. There it is. Okay, got it. Bigger one. There it goes. Oh, take it easy. Oh, this guy is really hungry. Pale color. That's a pale color right there, guys. Look at that guy, real skinny. Really skinny, man. Poor guy. Needs to eat more. Skinny. Really skinny, guys. Let's get this release. Really skinny. Put water all over the lens already. Real skinny, guys. So let's get this guy released. I don't know if it was the same fish or not, but look at that, real skinny. Real skinny. Probably. Oh, take it easy. I'll go. There it goes right there. That's fish number one. And this pond with this jump worm. I'll leave the description down below on what I'm using, guys. Got a peg, a bully weight peg it. I'm using an opposite hook, Gamakatsu opposite hook worm hook, and this ribbon tail from Jump. Ribbon tail worm from Jump. So let's see if we can catch more. It's really windy, guys. Really windy. Let's see if we can catch more from here. It's really windy and it's cold. I thought they were not gonna bite anything, but they are. They're biting on this worm right now. Let's see if we can. I'm just dragging it on the bottom pretty much. So let's see if we can catch another one. They might be stuck right there under the reefs. Under those reefs right there, they might be stuck because I'm casting that way. And now I cast to the middle, so I'm gonna cast one more time to this side over here. Oh yeah, they might be hiding under that under the reefs, spawning or whatever. I'm just dragging this thing on the bottom pretty much. Really windy, sorry about that. There goes another one, guys. There goes another one. That looks a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger one, guys. Yeah, don't go away. That's a bigger one, guys. Nice. Oh. That thing choked it. That thing choked that thing, man. Oh, man. Oh, crap. There it goes. There it goes. That thing choked that hook right there. There it goes. There we go, guys. Second one. A little bit bigger. This one's a little bit fatter. And that worm, 8-inch worm, it's a little bit bigger. Pretty nice fish. Nice fish. It's chunkier. A little bit fatter. Oh, water's warm, so Water's pretty nice right now. There it is. Another one, bigger one. A little bit bigger. There it goes. Slowly. Really, really windy, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.